Hello, everybody. All right. Well, we're back home in Saskatchewan. As you can see, I'm back snowed under again here at home too. So, anyways, yeah, here's. I haven't even. This is the first time I opened the door. Look at the around the back in the trailer, in the back door, so I can get in between. There's the poor old Shovelhead. There's my rain pants. Well, maybe snow pants. They're frozen solid still. Yeah. I was hoping that I'd get a couple of warm days here. The ice had melt off the old shovel. It's it's kind of froze on there from riding in the snow the other day. But yeah, I had a heart broken the engine number 2. I don't even know. I haven't made up my mind. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do. Whatever, I'm gonna get it fixed. So I haven't done nothing with it yet. And yes, here's my other old sweetheart. I just got a message from my engine builder the other day, and I'll update you with that about my pan later too. I know lots of you have been wondering what's going on, what I'm doing. Anyways, I just thought I'd come in the trailer here, and I was hoping for a couple of sunshiny days so it would melt the old bike off, but not yet. We're still fairly well froze up. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Motorcycle life. I love it. Love it. Don't get any better. Oh, and I also wanted to add in and show you the when I was leaving Texas, my seat cushion got a little snowy the other day. The other day when I was leaving Texas, where'd my stick go? I broke my front seat mount off. Oh, here it is. I broke the front seat mount when I was down in Texas. Yeah. And so I found a stick. So I put the stick under the... That stick fits right in there. That turned into my front seat mount all the way home from Texas. It worked. Make do with what you got. All right, there you go. Have a great day, everybody. My stick.